Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the stacked fillet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 8 plus 1. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 3 double crochet into the 6th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make 3 double crochet into that chain. Now we're going to start our sequence. Make 2 chains to skip 2 chains. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. Now you're going to skip 4 chains. Into this next one, make 3 double crochet. So we'll now start repeating this sequence from this chain 2. Make 2 chains to skip 2 chains. Make 3 double crochet into the next chain. Skip 4 chains into this next one, make 3 double crochet. Once you reach the end of your row and you only have 3 chains left, skip 2 like we had been doing into this last chain, make 3 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Skip the first 2 stitches. Into this next one, make 3 double crochet. We're going to immediately start our sequence for this row. It's going to be the same as our last row. It's just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. So you're going to make 2 chains. Skip this chain space. Into this next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Now you're going to skip over the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Into this next one, make 3 double crochet. Now we're going to start repeating from this chain 2. You're going to use this chain 2 to skip over any previous chain 2 space. So make 2 chains. Into this next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into this next one, 3 double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip the next chain 2 space. Into this next stitch, 3 double crochet. Now when you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches and then some chains left. Skip those 2 stitches. Into the top of those chains at the end of this row, make 1 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the stacked fillet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.